Hello and welcome to our QI Connect data submission tutorial. During this video, I will walk through how to submit data directly into our portal. Please check out the other video we have available on how to submit your data via a PDF. As a reminder, data you submit is secured and is used to support your quality improvement work. On your screen, you see our QI Connect home screen. This is what you see when you first log in. We have resources, news, and our data submission options on the right-hand side. I would like to point out the hamburger menu on the upper left-hand side as well. When you click on it, you can quickly navigate the portal, such as to your contacts and organizations. When it comes time to submit data, you will come to this home screen. On your right-hand side, you will see our data entry user guide. This guide has details on the data submission process and measures collected. To submit data directly into the portal, navigate to the hamburger menu and select organizations. And type your organization's name into the search box. Your organization will appear, and you can click on this green plus sign, and then more details to be taken to your organization's page. Once you're on this page, you can scroll down to the data entry section. From here, you can choose the goal that you would like to submit data for. Note that your organization may be enrolled in more than one goal. I will be submitting data for Goal 5 on nursing home work for the baseline period. The baseline period is from September 1st, 2019 through August 31st, 2020, and includes aggregated data collected between those time points on the care provided. I have clicked the down arrow, and I am now in the data entry form. Note that there are required fields as indicated by this red asterisk, and when you scroll down, you will see the required measures. This is the minimum information to submit. Other measures are optional. The advantage in reporting these optional measures is we will create meaningful trend reports to inform your QI work. I will enter in my contact information and the reporting time frame. As noted, this is for baseline, which is September 1st, 2019 through August 31st, 2020. We understand that you may not have all these 12 months of data, so we ask that you submit what you do have available and indicate that appropriate time frame in these time entry fields. I will be entering the data for the full 12 months. You can either push enter or this check mark and enter it on both sides. Before scrolling down to enter the required measures. I will continue scrolling for my required measures. And once done, I will identify a few optional measures that I would like to report for my organization each month. Once done, I will ensure that all my required fields have been filled in. My timeline is correct before pushing save. You will receive a pop-up box that says Save Successful. My data has now been submitted for this time period into the portal. Thank you for listening, and please check out QI Connect for other tools and resources. This is the end of this tutorial.